In this video, we are going to figure out who are your main competitors for a set of keyword clusters and for which cluster they're ranking for. If you click on top domain, you will see the main competitors. Some of them are direct competitors. I remember we are simulating or we are pretending to work for ActiveCampaign, a marketing automation tool. And obviously, Salesforce, HubSpot are main competitor. Reddit is not a competitor, but you can see it's quite strong. So this view gives you direct competitor and basically all the domains ranking for this set of keywords. You can see the page rank, so basically their domain authority. The cluster visibility, so here Reddit is ranking for 66% of the cluster, so it's really strong. Salesforce 36, HubSpot 36. You can also see the page one visibility, so when they are ranking for a keyword and they're on the page one, and the number of clusters. And then you can click on one competitor and check where they're present in a cluster. So here it can also show you the content strategy of your competitor and for which topic they are really good. So use that at your advantage to do some competitive analysis and improve your own content strategy.